If you go to my website, How to Tune Pianos, and you click on Courses, at the bottom are all the repair and regulation lessons, starting with lessons on regulation and voicing. We have some PDFs that modify the riblets regulation steps for an upright and grand. There's a PDF on pedals, a link to the regulation triangle, a link to the repair lessons, and a link to the recorded live online classes, plus a video on voicing. If we go back to the previous page, there are links to all of those things we just talked about. The regulation triangle, which makes visualizing the relationship between let-off, blow distance, and key dip intuitive, so that you don't have to be an engineer to figure out how they relate, and you can quickly know for certain what to do to fix common action issues where the piano is not playing properly. Below that, we have the repair course, which has many videos and lessons on how to do common repair issues, repairing and replacing piano strings, replacing hammers, regluing hammer felts, fixing loose tuning pins, dealing with false beats, replacing key tops, and a used piano buyer's checklist to help you find the diamond in the rough. Below that, we have the repair and regulation recorded class videos. A while ago, I did weekly lessons on repair and regulation concepts and recorded each of the videos. There's over 60 videos, and as of now, we're up to 34 videos that have been uploaded, edited, and connected to a quiz that will test your understanding of the concepts in each class. The topics run the gamut of everything you can imagine that has to do with repair and regulation of pianos. Dampers, regulation, hammer alignment, lost motion, regulation triangle, let-off, aftertouch, feeler gauges, key dip, hammer knuckles, repetition levers, hammer butt plates, jack travel, hammer alignment. The list goes on, and currently there's only 34 of the over 60 videos that are going to be uploaded. Right now, there is no way for you to get access to these unless you're a complete and full member of the website, but I would like to offer anybody who's interested the ability to sign up for just the repair and regulation courses and lessons on this website. But I need to know if anybody is interested. If you're interested in this, please email me, mark@mrtuner.com, or reply somehow or comment somewhere on this video, and I will send you a link with a substantive discount to allow you to get in on the ground floor of this exclusive and expansive offer of piano regulation and repair lessons. If this interests you at all, contact me as soon as possible.